The benefits of Pubeasy. Hi everyone, my name is Jill Hendricks and I'm a customer success specialist for MVB US, and one of our products is Pubeasy. And I'm often asked what are the benefits of using Pubeasy, and so I thought I'd make a quick video sharing the benefits. Pubeasy allows you to order from multiple different suppliers on a single website, pubeasy.com. We support suppliers in 2 regions, North America, which includes this list of suppliers, and also in the UK and Europe, which has a different list of suppliers. This saves you both time from learning a single website to order from multiple places, and also money because you're ordering directly from the supplier and getting your best discount. When placing orders, especially if you're ordering something for a specific customer, you often want to double check the price and availability before you place the order. And Pubeasy allows you to do that. We get the most recent data from our suppliers with price updates and also stock and availability. So you have choices here where you can see the availability. This one is a not yet released title, or this one's available. And we have different filters to help you with your search. So if the customer needs something right away, they're going on vacation, you can sort just by what is currently in stock. And we show the current list price. The other thing that Pubeasy helps you with is with the supplier distribution. Distribution can change often and frequently from house to house. And so Pubeasy keeps track of all that for you so that you don't have to. You can simply add the item to your cart and it knows who to order it from, and it creates that separate shopping cart. So this one is a Penguin Random House US title. And if you've just had an amazing sales week or an excellent book fair and now you're ready to restock a lot of titles, Pubeasy has a very fast workflow that you can use for turning that sales history report into a set of supplier orders. So if you go to Create Order, ISBN List, and then you import a file, I have one that I've already created here. It is going to search our system for all the items that can be ordered from us. And you can select to just choose the orderable products. And then you can select everything and add it to your cart. And that's a way to order a lot of products very fast all at once through Pubeasy. It's going to sort them into the different shopping carts, and you'll see pretty soon that hundreds of items are going to show up into my shopping carts. And then all I have to do is check that I've met my minimums and submit those orders. It's very easy. Here we go. We've got 100 items in the shopping cart from 5 or 6 different suppliers, and all I would need to do is to go in, make sure I've hit the minimum, possibly change my purchase order number if I'd like, and then go down and send the order. And if your store has multiple buyers and you're worried that someone else might accidentally submit an order that you're not done with, then instead of going to the shopping cart directly, you can use order lists. And so when you're in your search or you've done a file import, instead of adding to the cart, you can decide to add to an order list instead. You can choose one of your previously created ones or create a new order list. And this way you can work in your own list and not have to worry about someone accidentally submitting the cart because the customer needed this one book really fast, but you had stuff where you were building for a promotion or just weren't ready yet to do the order. So you can work in order lists, and then when you're ready to move everything to the cart, you can select all and actually use the card button up here to move everything to the cart. And so that's an overview of most of the features of Pubeasy. The only other thing that is kind of an off-label use, but I found very useful as a bookseller, is just remember that the availability information, it's designed for ordering, but it also means that you can probably return if you're a returnable account. So if it's available to order, it's also available to return from that particular supplier. So I hope that's helpful and that you'll be interested in joining the Pubeasy community. So if you'd like to do that, Pubeasy is free. You would just go to pubeasy.com to sign up. Just remember that we are not a supplier ourselves. We just are a conduit for your orders. And so you need to already have supplier accounts with those suppliers that you want to order with. And those need to be terms accounts because Pubeasy doesn't accept any payment information. And so you will place your orders with us and your suppliers will ship the books and then invoice you at your standard terms with them. So make sure when you're creating those supplier accounts that you ask for credit terms. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you.